Well, switching to a little health news, 1 in 4 Americans are struggling to pay for their medications, and lawmakers on Capitol Hill are continuing their push to lower prices. This week, a number of bills to change the way drug companies set prices made headway through both the House and the Senate. But it's still a ways until they reach that finish line. KAKE News DC reporter Raquel Martin has the latest from the hearing on the issue.
This is unacceptable.
Sarah Skipper says because of its high price, she and her sister started to ration their insulin.
I couldn't afford to purchase my full supply of insulin, so my sister risked her life by sharing hers. She went into diabetic ketoacidosis, had to be hospitalized for 4 days. The veins in her body blew.
Skipper and a panel of patients say Congress needs to step in and pass reforms to bring costs down.
The price of Revlimid is over $250,000 per year.
Price gouging is killing people. These pharmaceutical companies are committing murder and getting away with it.
At the hearing, lawmakers in both parties promised to fight back. But Republican Congressman Jim Jordan also warned of the cost of too much regulation.
We have this amazing system where we do get innovation, we do get the greatest drugs developed. We got to make sure that continues.
Despite Jordan's reservations, the House is advancing plans to bring cheaper generic brands into the market. And in the Senate, a plan to slash payments for Medicaid and Medicare patients is headed to the floor for a vote.
So we support all those provisions.
John Grogan, the White House Director of Domestic Policy, says President Trump is celebrating the recent progress and says the Senate plan alone will save taxpayers billions of dollars.
They're taking advantage of taxpayers. So we want to end a lot of this gaming.
Grogan says the White House is negotiating details with the Senate ahead of their vote and says he's confident reforms are coming.
I am optimistic that we are going to see real progress in the Senate and the House.
In Washington, Raquel Martin.
Well, Senate Leader Mitch McConnell has not confirmed if he's backing recent plans. The White House says an executive order isn't off the table if Congress fails to act.